Welcome back. It's few minutes to the top of the hour, and trading activities have commenced at the equities markets this morning. Let's talk to Rotimi Fakejo, CEO, Enterprise Stockbrokers, for the pre-open market analysis. Good morning, Rotimi. Thank you very much for joining us. Now, I'm sure you were happy yesterday when you saw the bullish trade yesterday. So what sentiment have you observed today? Are we likely to still see the bull run continue today?
Yes, with the way the market has started this morning, we are already in that direction. The market started this way yesterday. Presently, the trend is 0.29% positive. And so far, we've traded about 46 million shares, a value of 467 million naira. And with the way it is, everyone look forward to this. At least we only have 2 more days to trade for the first half of the year. And that is very significant to investment managers and also those who are handling big portfolios. So it's very, very much expected, and we expect that with the way things are now, virtually all the sectoral indices are up, except for consumer goods, which they also will change for positive thereafter.
What particular stocks are leading as at this moment?
For the gainers, we have the likes of just a minute, let me look into the system. The likes of Diamond Bank, Wando, SCMB, and UBA on the gainers chart, and we don't have any serious loser yet for this morning. The likes of Sky Bank, Wapik, Jaiz Bank, and those ones who really had to the numbers. So the market is very much on a very good stand this morning.
And for the half-year financial earnings, what are your expectations across the sectors?
Across the sectors, let me start with the industrial goods and the consumer goods. We are expecting a positive trend. That is something better than what we see in the first quarter for those two sectors. But for the banking sector, with the events trailing the Etisalat transaction, which is affecting virtually all of the banks listed on the exchange, we don't know how that is going to play out yet. But with the intervention of with the intervention of NCC and CBN, we believe that may not reflect in their book just yet. So we expect that what we saw in the first quarter may definitely repeat itself in the second quarter, in the first half. So we expect that the figures will still look very good by the time the figures come out.
What about the insurance sector? That sector seems to be a little bit quiet now.
Yes, it's always been quiet, and there are very active ones in that particular sector. Mansard has been stagnant for quite a while. The only one that we see movement now and then is custodian and allied insurance. And this morning, the sectoral index is reading 0.2% positive. And I think it's really a concern, because most of the securities listed in that sector are trending at 50 kobo. So it is quite unlikely that we may see a significant change in that particular sector even before the end of the first half of the year.
All right, thank you very much, Rotimi. We'll keep watching the markets to see what the outcome would be at the end of today. But I'm also optimistic, just as you are. I'm always optimistic. Thank you very much for your time, and do have a profitable trading day.